When I first started out, it seemed to me that I need to know everything, a bunch of strategies, dozens of indicators. Now I realize that a couple of simple rules work better than any overloaded system. Today, I want to show you how you can trade with a minimal set of tools and still see good entry points. If you want to simplify your trading, you will like this video. Let's do the account setup to work. In this strategy, I use the chart type candlesticks. The time frame is 1 minute. Now I need to turn on the indicators. It will be momentum and moving average. The moving average indicator will have a period of 21. The line type will be AMA. I'll change the line color to blue in the indicator style settings. Now let's customize the momentum indicator. I'll reduce the period of the indicator to 7. It is necessary for the indicator to react faster to market changes. In the style settings, I'll change the display type to live. Now everything is ready for work. Trading seems complicated only at first glance. When there are breakdowns and proper analytics, the market becomes much clearer. In my Telegram channel, I share fresh reviews, passes of key levels, and useful ideas for self-analysis every day. To get into the club, just follow the link in the description, subscribe to the channel, and write me a private message. That way I can give you feedback, tell you where to start, and help you understand the materials I publish. Take a step forward, becoming more confident with the market. The link is below. Let's take the situation to work and open the first trade. I'll use 5 minutes for the trading time, and I'll make the trade amount $450. My prediction is that the price will go down. I'll press the red button to open the trade. Are you ready? Then let's analyze the situation in detail. The price has been rising for a long time and was building above the moving average line, so there was an uptrend. It ended and the price started to decline. As soon as the price chart crossed the moving average line, there was a change of trend. This is the main trigger in this strategy. After that, the situation is almost formed. The only thing left is to check the momentum indicator. The momentum indicator has the main level of 100. The indicator line was above this level as the price was rising. As soon as the price started to decline, the indicator line is also directed downward and crosses the level of 100. Thus, I realized that it is possible to open a trade. Both indicators point to the beginning of a price decline, so the downtrend has started. As you can see, the strategy is quite simple. It does not require you to technically analyze the market. Later, I'll tell you about the rules of work that you need to follow to open trades in reliable situations. The price is still building above the line of the open trade. It is too early to worry. There's still time to close the trade. I'm sure that the downtrend will stabilize now and the price will continue to decline. Boom! The trade is profitable. My capital is now $14,014. Let's keep working. Already looking for the next situation. After spending a little time searching, I'm ready to open another trade. The amount of the trade will remain unchanged, $450, until the price will go down. Now I open the trade. Well, you can see the situation is similar to the previous one. Both indicators are pointing to a price decline. Namely, the price chart has already crossed the moving average line and is building below it. The momentum indicator line is also decreasing and has already crossed the 100 level. Both indicators have given a signal. The situation has been formed. When working with this strategy, it is important that both indicators indicate the same trend. If you see that the price chart has crossed the moving average line from the top to bottom, then the downtrend has started, but you can open a trade only after the signal from momentum. This strategy works both in uptrend and downtrend. There are no restrictions on currency pairs. The only thing I want to recommend is to choose currency pairs in which the trend changes not too often. They are more stable and reliable. Otherwise, if you stick to the rules, opening a trade will not be difficult. The price has fallen quite a lot and now a local price correction has started. I don't think I should worry. Let's watch the situation till the end. Bingo! Another profitable trade. Now I see that my capital is $14,343. A couple more trades to go. Let's keep working. What do you think the final result of the session will be? The trade amount of $450 is quite comfortable and safe. And I'll open a trade on the price decrease. I've already dealt with similar situation in previous trades. The market started a downtrend. The indicators clearly indicate it. The price has started to decline, and I think I can increase my capital a little bit more. I want to give you some advice. Never rush to open trades. Always follow the rules and wait for the situation to fully develop. If you see that the indicator almost gave a trigger, then just wait. It is better to open a trade a little later than the situation has formed than to rush and open a trade early. Also set goals for yourself for each session. You don't have to work for nothing or from idleness. You need to be confident in each of your trades. This is the only way to succeed. The price is steadily decreasing. There is not much time left before the trade closes. Let's watch the situation until the end. Yes! Another profitable trade. The account is now $14,757. Let's find another situation and open the last trade. I think with this situation, I'll be able to increase my capital. This time, all 4 situations were formed on a downtrend. Let me remind you that this strategy also works on the upside. This is a great strategy for everyday work. I'm sure you'll like it and use it often. I try to tell and show you in detail how this strategy works. It's up to you. Oh yes, friends! 4 out of 4 trades are profitable. That's an amazing result. I see that the account has a sum of $15,171. Today we once again see that in trading wins, it's not about the one who rushes, but the one who knows how to wait. All my trades were conscious. Every entry point was thought out. That's why the session ended in a plus. If you want the same results, stop trading on emotions. Make a plan, as I showed in this video, and follow it strictly. Write your opinion about the strategy in the comments. Thank you.